Prepare yourself, wicked witch of the forest. Lightning!
What is this? What is this? You think that you have some power, that you are some great...
I am the sorcerer of the north, and I shall be taking back what is mine.
Nothing here belongs to you.
Very well, let's see
There is
what
nothing
you do.
here for you. Listen to me. Listen to me very well. It's best take your axe and go back where you came from.
Foolish witch, Invicto Vernam, Expecto Starum Sanctus.
Very well.
Wow.
Alright, I didn't think I'd have to use this, but...
Elements, I call upon you! Raging fire!
It's not going to work. I am an ancient sorceress for years and generations. I have powers beyond
Ice wave, two damage, water tornado, fucking wave, lightning bolt,
You don't understand. You don't understand.
I'm not being fooled by my illusion. Flame! Now let's end this. My most powerful spell against your most powerful spell.
Let me tell you something. This magic that you're trying will never exceed my powers. You don't understand. I've been here for generations and generations.
And that is why you should stay in the grave where you belong, old woman. It ends today. Prepare yourself. Your strongest against my strongest. Are you ready?
This is going to be very sad.
Blackest of blackest. Here I call and yield to